The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. Last season's finalist winners of the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Chiefs, they are out of this year's Nedbank Cup. Baphume last 32, bebethwa ke Stellenbosch. Remember Stellenbosch, engathi once sikubambe ngopongwana Junior. Asiyeki. Remember last season what they did? Usakhumbula?
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Usakhumbula when they made Orlando Pirates their daily bread, when every time they will beat Orlando Pirates. Remember that game where Pirates were leading by 2-0, Stellenbosch came back,
Yes.
scored 3 goals. Stellenbosch were doing what they wanted to do. Namhlanje, this season, the Chiefs last 16, the Carling Knockout Cup, baby coaches Stellenbosch. Namhlanje last 32, in that Bank Cup, bakuchas Stellenbosch. Junior, madukubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Shane kunjani mfethu?
I'm okay.
Ngibulise uJustice. Ngibulise uBenedict Sovilakazi. Ngibulise uBobo. Bafethu kunjani? Ngibulise uNkululeko Nkewu. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDisky TV, fighting one try to fix South African football.
I was about to correct you there. This is Junior. Ever since ndafika ku-Disky TV, awuzange wangambulisa Mr. Nkewu.
Ngibuyekuteni kakhulu na.
Kululeko my brother.
Ngibuyekuteni kakhulu na lengwenya le.
Yeah.
Mfethu, going to the game, I think Chiefs were tested today. Yeah, Chiefs, the real test, I think, started today tactically. Also, players individual as well. Going to the game, why Kaizer Chiefs starting with 5 defenders? 3 centre back, why? Why approaching the game that way?
What do you think was the plan, Junior?
I don't think they trust their players. I don't think they trust how they won. I'm a game about winner, I don't think they were attempt.
Or the games where they were winning 1-0.
Yeah, how they played. We've been saying, Oguchi Bazokbamba, you win ugly, they will catch you. Because it's not going to be a continuity. Remember, Chiefs are defending champions.
Yeah.
They needed this game. We can't make excuse City. They want to win the league or champions, Confederation Cup. Going to the game, Shane.
Yeah.
Chiefs limited take care but a player whereby is not playing regularly, which is Serino. Attacker Serino. 3 players, Silva, also Mtushabalala.
Yeah.
Ndlovu, I consider him as a defensive midfielder.
Yeah.
He's a defender. Because protect back 5. Yeah, okay. They hardly go forward as well. Lumfana lo.
Titus, man of the match.
Yeah, well deserve.
Okay.
But Begmela got 2. Connie Pola mistake with 6 area.
Yeah.
First half. Chiefs is dlalang 5 at the back, dlalang 2 defensive midfielders. Okay, Lumfana lo is sort of is more of a ngifuna ukunderstand udefense ngisafuna ukumbona lo mfana. I see taking shots outside the box. He's a good passer on the ball.
Yeah.
Ngiyambona ne vision I still want to see more. But today I think not a bad game from the boy. But I think he came in Khamil, if I can be honest. Asikhulume nje ngegame yonke. Ilimit attack eKaizer Chiefs uSerino ugcineni nokudlala. And then mawuzo attack ngabo boy3 which is umdu has not been akekho consistent. Uyakunika kakuniki and then uSerino is not even playing. I think ama game abo 6-7. This is I think ngikhulume this year. All the games Serino has not been playing.
Most of the games, yeah.
I think Zamalek game ophuma ngayo. I think if not the Skata Shaipali.
Yeah.
Confederation Cup, first league, bedlala la home. Waphuma from there nowhere. So today you start him. I'm defending champions. I don't understand the coaches. I think it's a big mistake for them.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I think he came as a sub against Zesco over the weekend. Serino, remember?
Yeah, it came as a sub. How many minutes left? So I'm talking about build up. There was supposed to be build up. I check balance. Also, you've been winning. No matter what winner ugly. Today ugly. We have a chase about. We understand now. The team we starting. This boy coming from the bench because he came here. Stellenbosch starting the game. I think I'm assigning more well done to Kevin Hunt. I played the open game today. Kevin Hunt, I'm surprised. Bencheluto was surprised with Kevin Hunt. Chapa puts in the middle. Very good play Mtiane. A combination play in the middle. Well done. I think there's a balance in the middle. And Mbonile on the sort of 3-5-2. You understand? Badlala ngathi right back, a wing back kulo mfana lo ubuya ku Mamelodi Sundowns.
Oh, Tiwane.
Tiwane.
Yeah.
I think
And
gave
also
them
Jost, eh?
yeah,
Gave
you
them
start badlala that's why 352.
Yeah.
It's Kevin Hunt identity. And lama crosses lawa, diagonal ball. I think I'm Sebenzela because it's got a top striker which is Amakubu. And Uchapa is joining on the box. He was joining Alapayana. Also this come Tiwane. Played open game. And also they move people very quick compared to Kaizer Chiefs first 25 minutes. And they force Kaizer Chiefs to make mistakes. They bypass the Chiefs not to build up. And well done to Kevin Hunt. Ngoba lo mfana lo asikhulume ngepenalty yokuqala. I think why bringing uSilva kuna 5 defenders? You bring an attacker. No matter set piece, leave him. Makachite. How you gonna score? Leave him makachite. Angithi una 5 at the back, including uNdlovu, including this guy.
Oh, Mabaso.
Mabaso. So leave the about defend. We should all in all by 7, 8 with the goalkeeper. Leave them. They can't come all of them. Angithi mele kusali defense yabo labantu laba Stellenbosch. That's why I made a mistake. Ngiyazi ukuthi akambonanga it's
Yeah,
accidental.
it was a mistake.
Yeah, it was a mistake. But if I check on my mark, it's a foul. You can go anywhere, shit. So it was a penalty.
Yeah.
I think their penalty changed the dimension of the game. Now Chiefs they were under pressure, and now all into footing ibonile Kevin never stopped. Yabo was professional in his players. Well done to Libusa. Unfortunately, this boy Umlesane got I think now a accident.
Speedy recovery to him.
Yeah, speedy recovery. What a player! But I think the sub if you yangena, if you fit like a club.
Stanic, yeah.
Yes, Stanic, very good player as well. Because complimented. Lulbus I think is led to leadership. Central as Zangbabe a problem. Got the second goal, but the Chiefs losing the ball in Klalengisho want to lose the ball as central, especially about sort of. If you don't know what's behind your back, just play where you face. Simple. Dlali basic. Ufuna ukuthena lapha lo mfana. I think lapha cost the team. Angibi harsh mfana but it's a fact to cost the team and then Stellenbosch quick. I think lo mfana lo us one of the best goal. I think this year it's a content of goal of the season as well. Because the goalkeeper lapha Totti is gonna pass. Good run lo muntu lo or I think intensely Justin movie defender and then goalkeeper thought they're gonna pass. You understand? And good shot. And well done Umakubo. I think he took the defender and then Amlande Lumikel. Goalkeeper thought it was a pass Umakubo. Good shot, good technique as well. And he power behind the ball. 2-0. Now the whole dimension of the game came after scoring Stellenbosch now Kevin Hunt. Sit back. Now allowing Chiefs to build up again momentum. Now Guba lama interchange. Well done Tumtu. Namhlanje game na namhlanje. That's why Tumtu ngeke understand. If the team is not playing or raises on.
You should have left Mdlalo namhlanje.
He got 2 chances. Kevin Yanka we are leader of the highlight. My defender wakhe wana speed. And the Chiefs I think capitalized lapho but Tumtu casual man. Breaker kamnandi mfana but iba ruthless phambi kwepali. In fact iba aggressive phambi kwepali. I think umfana I goal like le break khona on the left hand side. Bekumele ngabe mhlambe upushe le ball ofaka ibody and then not dribble goalkeeper mangaba akekho sure. You understand? Or just ibamba ibhola ngelesi ngepower. Stop usebenzisa in-swinger lapha and not even enough of open body yakhe. And also a break wadlali 1-2 no Serena. Not a good ball but good control from him too. Go to the keeper. Well done to Steven Sech. I think over the angle. But treble mbambe ngebox or means something man up. I found a red card. And then part of box it's a penalty as well. Titus got the 6 yard. I don't understand why he didn't score. Now, missed the target. Not even a save the goalkeeper. Nkuluma first half. Nobody lapha 3-0 game is done. You understand? So, but the open game is still in Portugal. Kevin Hunt. Young Mangaza when he's coaching this team, or it's because of the players that he has. He was forced to play this way. But after scoring, Jobangisho sit back. Now it's typical Kevin Hunt long imbonile, allowing Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi badlale now. Lama space bawayeka bawavula. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs, but I think ukubeka umabuye ngaphandle it was their downfall. Because now as second half coming on the game,
They were more aggressive in the second half.
yeah, and now I'm check utholi game la azange atlick. Because imshayile game makangena umabuye bekumele adjust ecala but now those guys they were here. And Kaizer Chiefs I'm truly speaking if I can be honest with you baba tholi lama chance even as Stellenbosch manje towards the game yophela. These 2 chances supposed to bury. You understand? The game was open that's why ngithi but the Kaizer Chiefs njoba ngisho ba limit attack yabo. They limit the attack. Yes, they push after Stellenbosch scoring, but it was not enough because we don't have number up front. Dumdu and Silva. Silva, I don't think he had a good game for me. Ngifuna ukubona more from Sifa. He's an international player. We want more. Want to see him playing as like as in space. Yeah, taking somebody on as a striker. Yabo. Nyambona ino receiver face ipala lakhe. But I want to see more of Silva. Yes, heading in Bonita guy 1 guy 2. But if they're not gonna cross, what you gonna do? Because you more of labantu laba badlala nga back it's 4 up with him. 4 high. No, Kevin say thank you. This guy can't 10. Even if somebody will leave there or somebody we 1, he's not gonna 10. And I think well done to second half not much of him. Angimbonanga. Esatla right. I think bebale expose cheese on the bench. Changing room bakulmil with abantu badlala nga 3 back 3-5-2. Uchiane can't travel with the ball. You just play Sereno. Wachi to Sereno. That's why they got the goal. You understand? But the penalty in fact questionable because lo mfana lo izandla bekumele enzeni uwile. Yabo, the question into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi it was vice versa ngapha bebazoyibeka na. Those are the questions. Angisho ukuthi bengeka ibeke. Listen to me Shane. Angithi bengeka ibeke. But bekumele awelephi lo muntu uyile. Uyile sisheni izandla ziphansi. So I penalty questionable mfethu. And I think it game Kaizer Chiefs I think they were coming, but truly speaking well done to Stellenbosch. I think labachita labintengi about teamwork. Kevin yonke team I coach, I think they are fit. They work each other. In Taiboni, Kevin, I think he put this boy Pili, which is unbelievable to fail. One of the best talent in South Africa approaches Ilomfan, 21-20, under 20 international. They last ball, but Magangena, Agadlalanga according to as an impact player. I don't think he has added something if you because what did Utlalanga Matole Poloin is not him. Lomfana Smazalanda Bantu. 2 touch going behind the defense akakwenzanga lo so ungenile nawo tropic game but well done to Umtaga cause one was solve the problem they played with 4 now 2 center right and left and then right wing back and then middle field yahlala njalo well done to Mthiane also Chapa Butsak, Melang Bashalizand, I think they did very well in the middle field. I think their middle field by dominated. If Lumtian Mfano as a bowler and a wonderful play, I think, from him. And yeah, I think well done. They deserve Stellenbosch because it game was more open, but both teams they got chances. But Stellenbosch at the end of the day, they scored 2.
Yeah.
And their penalty, it was going to be 2-0.
They had to be a winner.
Yeah, they had to be a winner at the end of the team fit.
Junior, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your analysis. Yeah, at the sold-out DHA Stadium on a Wednesday afternoon or on a Wednesday evening, Kaizer Chiefs selling out a big stadium. But it was the home team, Stellenbosch, who came out victorious. Now they are through. They are joining Mamelodi Sundowns last 16 as a Nedbank Cup in 2026. It's Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.